So I got a new bullet journal, and that means that it's time to look over the modules. So today I'm gonna look at my calendar or future log or whatever you call it. So this year I actually got a white Christmas, even though it's kind of raining at the moment. I'm at my parents' house as usual, and it's been pretty nice to be able to relax and play some games, because the last month has been pretty intense with the internship going on. So with life changing, for me, my screenwriting program coming to an end, that means that the layouts and things you need in the bullet journal also changes. And for me, one of those things is the calendar or future log or year at a glance, whatever you call it. So my old version was kind of a spread with a quarter on each spread, and then like a column for special days that are marked in the calendar and then could write out, and then also the theme for the week in school, what we were working on. But now some of those things aren't needed anymore, so that's why I'm redesigning this. So with my new version, I wanted to go with a more inspiring layout. I didn't have any more use of those themes, and I wanted the whole design to visualize more than use like tables. So it ended up with this curved design, where I still have 3 months, and I have marked the first day of the week instead of every day in the week. And for me as a European, that means the week starts on Monday. Then I extrude lines out from like a central point on the other page for whatever activity there is. Currently it's mostly like birthdays and stuff like that, and if there is something that's gonna go on for more than a day or a period, then I create like a field or a block for that. And as always, I like to color code stuff, so I use different colors and patterns to swiftly get like an idea for what kind of event or day that is. So when I created this, I tried a few different designs, and I ended up with creating a template for like an arc or a half moon that I can use. When I use it, it works so. The lines doesn't become perfectly straight, so I'll probably rework that in some way or use other tools. I decided to do 1 quarter per spread, and that also gave me some room to start using a future log, which I haven't really been using in that way before, but I'm gonna start doing that. And it also gave me a chance to move the header for the quarter to another page, so I got some more room for the early days of the quarter. Otherwise it was pretty cramped there. Otherwise these weeks has mainly been focusing on the film goal and the game goal. So for the film goal, that has mainly meant the internship. Me and my classmate, who I'm doing the internship with, has been working on like new story ideas for one of the production company's IPs, and also like working on like new characters and stuff like that. And I've spent every other week in Stockholm, which also have been nice to have some change in location. And yeah, it feels pretty good. It's very fun to do this kind of work. I like working with world building, and this is like adding to this the world, and then working with structuring, because what we're basically doing is creating a proposal for like how the story could develop and what new characters we could use to take this IP in another direction. Even though this has consumed a lot of my time, I have also been working on the game goal, and mainly my platformer game, which first I started to do some more coding in the Unity game engine where the game is built, but then I stumbled upon an asset called the Corgi game engine, which is mainly snippets of code or modules that you can use to make a 2D game easier, and then you like expand on that code. So I got that and have been playing around with that. So I don't have that much to show, but it's fun, and hopefully one day I will be able to show you something from those games that is more than those like squares jumping around. Process wise, because of all this traveling and me having like a cold, the workout part has been damaged during this month, but now it's up and running again, even though it was a little tough to get back on track, but it's nice to be back on track. And the same thing goes with my sleeping habits. I mean, it's been on and off the whole autumn, with going to bed too late and going up too late because of that. But even though I may still be going to bed a little bit too late, I get up early now. So it feels like I'm getting back on track there too. But those things can change pretty fast. So for the near future, I'm probably gonna focus on the film goal, of course. We have a presentation to do with what we have come up with for this IP, and then I guess I will work some on the game, refining the mechanics, and also like just working on the game concept itself. I've got quite a lot of ideas lately because I've been playing a lot of platformers, among them Child of Light and Axiom Verge, and Thomas Was Alone, and the Cuphead. A lot of good platformers out there. So hopefully this is not the last snow I'll see for this season, but you never know. But that's what I had for today. So if you like this video, please give me a thumb up. If you have any comments, please comment below. And if you're not subscribing but still want to follow my journey in reaching my 4 creative goals before I reach 40, then please do so. See you next time.